Russell Westbrook doesn't make many errant passes, and this one, he insists, was an accident. Now, the pass happened during the Thunder's loss to the Hornets on Wednesday night. The OKC guard tossed the ball back to referee Trey Maddox while he wasn't looking and nailed him in the head. Westbrook was hit with a technical foul, though he pleaded that he never meant to hit Maddox, saying, "I called his name. He turned right at me, then looked away. I don't know. I'm not the type of guy. I would never ever disrespect the game like that and throw the ball at a referee." Westbrook did apologize to Maddox during the game, though his 10th technical of the season still stands. The Thunder guard finished the night with 33 points, 15 rebounds, and 8 assists.